Hello, my name is Donna Sherman and I am a Special Collections Librarian at the University of Manchester Library. My job is to look after the library's amazing map collections. In fact, we have the largest map collection in the north of England. Our maps represent the universe, the world, its countries and its cities. Maps of the ancient world and maps of empire. Maps which show urban growth and document Manchester's vibrant history, and music maps, food maps, and maps of imaginary places. One of my favourite maps of Manchester is a map by William Green, published in 1794. It shows how Manchester's landscape is being transformed by the Industrial Revolution. It also shows a beehive, an early reference to the Manchester bee, the symbol of the city. Check out our Special Collections web pages if you want to find out more.